Okay, this first one here, it's a little tricky here when you look at this one the first time. Basically, what they tell you is that VW is the same as YZ. We also know here that angle ZVY, you have to be careful, your ZVY, so this angle is the same as WYV, so those are going to be the same angles as well. ZVW, which is this one, is also the same as WYZ, and so you're going to get those are the same. All of that is trying to get to prove that this triangle right here, this ZVY, this one right here, ZVY, that whole triangle is the same as this one. So trying to get to those two. In other words, you got one triangle right here, and the other one looks like this. Okay, so you get two triangles. What we know from those two triangles is that these are the same, and we know that basically what I have here is that this angle and this angle, okay, add up, and this angle and this angle add up. And you'll notice that they both share a side, this VY, so that's going to be reflexive. Okay, here's that VY right here. What I have is a side angle side. I can prove these triangles are congruent. The problem is I'm going to have to go about adding up two different angles, which I'm going to have to use some angle addition postulates and some substitutions in order to prove that these are the same. And that's where the trouble comes in, and that's where it becomes very difficult. But it'll be a long proof, but it's the reasoning is quite obvious.